Good morning guys! Tara, kape. Okay guys, for today's video, meron kasi akong na-experience na bago with Maribank. I think Maribank is positioning Shopee Pay as one of their electronic wallets and would go head-to-head sa mga kilalang e-wallets natin na katulad ni GCash and ni Maya. Bakit ko nasabi to? Well, kahapon when I was opening my Maribank account, nagkaroon ng bagong feature dito, which is to link your Shopee Pay wallet. And then, eventually, after kung malink yung aking Shopee Pay wallet, pwede na rin i-link ang ating S-Pay Later dito. So, parang lumalabas na medyo kino-consolidate na ni Maribank yung kanyang mga financial products. So, ang makikita na natin sa ating Maribank account is yung savings natin with Maribank. Tapos, yung ating Shopee Pay as an e-wallet. Tapos, yung ating S-Pay Later. Baka sumunod yung S-Loan natin, pwede na rin natin i-link dito. Well, posible yan. And if they do that, mas magiging convenient na ang pagmamanage, pag-utang, pagbabayad dito sa mga financial products ni Shopee. And to illustrate you this new feature sa loob ni Maribank, ito na yon. Unlock Shopee Pay. Split and manage your money easily. So, nung klinik ko yan, sabi niya dito, link your Shopee Pay wallet to your Maribank account. Pay anywhere daw, link with Shopee Pay wallet. Yan, Shopee Pay is not a deposit account. It is not covered by PDIC. So, it's an electronic wallet. Same thing sa ginawa ni Own Bank na meron din siyang electronic wallet, di ba? Okay, so I proceeded with that. Confirm Shopee Pay linkage. And then, may facial verification. Tapos, yon, linking request submitted. Tapos, saglit lang. Ayan, pagka-exit ko nun, nag-appear na kagad yung aking S-Pay Later dito sa taas. If you're going to check, ayan po siya. Shopee Pay wallet balance. And then, lumabas na yung S-Pay Later. So, pwede na rin daw i-link yung S-Pay Later dito. So, if you try to link now, yan, access S-Pay Later on Maribank, yan, buy now, pay later, easy pay later repayments, monitor your S-Pay Later, etc., etc., etc. Yan. And then, linkage successful. So, makikita ko na rin dito yung available credit ko with S-Pay Later. Para na siyang Maya Bank, di ba? Wherein there are different tabs, you can access your e-wallet, your loans, etc. So, I think this is a good move for Maribank in consolidating all their financial products in one app. And hopefully, siguro makikita na rin natin dito consolidated yung ating mga S-Loan for buyers and S-Loan for sellers. Kayo ba? Nabuksan nyo na ba ang Maribank account nyo? And na-link nyo ba ang inyong mga Shopee Pay at mga S-Pay Later account? Yun lang muna for today's video. Abangan nyo po ang video natin tonight, 7 PM. Good morning po sa inyo.